Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Ngithi ngingena ku-X ngizithela pheke post ebhalwe uBrigadier Athlenda Mathe, spokesperson we-SAPS. Ithi cocaine worth 20 million rand has been seized from a plot in Blue Hills, Midrand. SAPS intelligence was following up on information of drugs being hidden on the identified plot. A 56-year-old man believed to be the owner of the plot has been arrested for possession of dealing in drugs. Ama-drugs yiwo lawo wabona kwi-screen sakho. Ukubona kwami le posti ingenze ngafikelwa injabulo kanti usuku lami belingekho luhle maliqala. Kodwa manje sengizizwa ngijabulile ngoba ubanje umgulukudu nalama drugs awaseza ukufika kodadewethu nakubafowethu naseyinganeni zenu nakubazukulu benu awaseza ukufika ngoba ubanjiwe lo muntu lo okuyena owakhiqizayo noma lo kuyena owabekile. Ngithola ivideo yakhe ku Brigadier Athlenda Mathe. Ngizomcaphuna amabili amavideo wakhe ngizocaphuna yokuqala ngicela uzwe la.
It was an intelligence-driven operation where we obtained a search warrant following information that there are illegal activities happening on this plot behind us. So after obtaining the search warrant, we then roped in our crime intelligence unit, our Gauteng organized crime, our K9 unit as well, to come and search. And indeed, they found 80 kg of cocaine with a street value of 20 million rand. And we can confirm that the plot owner has been arrested, a 56-year-old man, on charges of possession of drugs as well as dealing in drugs. So
njengoba umuzwa nje uBrigadier echaza la ukuthi impela bathola i-information ukuthi khona izinto ezingahambi kahle ezenzeka kule plot, base ke beyayilandela lo information ngenhlahla bawathola ama drugs nendoda le eboshiwe na 56 eminyaka. Awucabange nje uma uboshwe usuna 56. Iyodwa nje into engikhathazayo ngeSouth Africa yethu ekhululekile. Iyodwa nje ukuthi kukhona icorruption. Ukube kwamanye amazwe besokwazi ukuthi lo muntu uzobhadla ejele. Kodwa sinethemba lokuthi amaphoyisa manje azolenza iqiniso ngoba labantu kufuneka mabeboshiwe kanje bangadedelwa ngoba labantu babulala izwe lethu. So ukuboshwa kwalabantu, ukuboshwa kwalomuntu nabanye engisazokhuluma ngabo kwenza inhliziyo yami ibe nenjabulo. Yenza inhliziyo futhi angazi ukuthi ubengawalwisa ingane amaphoyisa amdubula afe. Ngiyajabule kakhulu lapho ngoba ukube nje lo muntu wenze yena lento ehlezi enziwa ngabantu awalwisa amaphoyisa amdubule afe. Simane sikhuluma indaba ukuthi ufile angeke akho corruption vele azoyenza. Naye akalenzanga ke naye iqiniso akenzanga kahle lo baba. Lo baba bekufuneka alwe namaphoyisa ukuze ezokwazi ukuthi amdubule afe.
that is our main focus, where that is part and parcel of the investigation to say, is he part of a broader and larger syndicate? We have picked up a trend that these syndicates, they target the farms, the plots and the small holdings. They either buy or rent, and they start then, erecting these drug labs, start with, manufacturing the drugs and so on. We have picked up in September, you would have heard, we had a 350 million drug lab bust in the area of Forecrust in Mpumalanga, where 5 foreign nationals were arrested. We've had a number in Gauteng as well in the last 12 months. We had more than 10 drug labs that were shut down. So we are intensifying our operations in the farming areas, in the plots, in the small holdings, because we are seeing that the trend where they are now focusing on doing their illicit activities on these farms and so on. So I must say, quite so far, it is yielding the positive results because we have seized cocaine worth 20 million rand, and as I've indicated, we've had a major drug bust. And not so long ago, we were also in this area, not far from where we are. We also had a drug bust in that area where we dismantled an illegal drug manufacturing lab. So we are hard at work. This is part of our safer festive operations, which are in full swing. Just in the last 7 days, we have arrested about 16,399 suspects. 2,700 of them were wanted for serious crimes, your murder, attempted rape, attempted murder, and so on. We've also seized 156 illegal firearms from our streets, and we've just had a number of major takedowns. You will recall last week in Parktown, 3 kidnappers were shot and killed, and so on. So this is part of our safer festive operations in ensuring that we dismantle and dislodge the work of organized crime syndicates with a particular focus on your drug cartels in the country.
Amaphoyisa amayisebenza kanje liyabuya ithemba ukuthi esikhathini esizayo impela iSouth Africa yethu izobe safe. Zonke le ndawo azibalayo uBrigadier sikhavile ngazo. Uma nje umuntu olandela le channel, zonke nje le ndawo azibalile ezenzekile la ababhaste khona ama lab ama drugs, yonke lento lama foreigner u5 abanjwa ikhiqiza ama drugs, yonke lonto leyo sikhavile kule channel. Ngoba ngenza sure ukuthi ngikulethela indaba eziyizo ngesikhathi sonke. Ngokululekwa nanokukhuthazwa yini ngoba nangitshela ukuthi nengisupporta ngoba ngishare indaba zinje ngoba zinjalo, akukho engikunongayo ngoba ngenzela ukuthi kube khona ama views amaningi. Ngicela nje siqhubeke sibambe lapho. Ngiyazithatha izeluleko zenu, ningayeki kungeluleka, ningayeki, ngiyazithatha izeluleko zenu. Ngiyathanda indlela futhi esikhuluma ngayo, asidlulele phambili. A panic was received from one of our clients' business properties in the Mayberry Park area. The information was that one armed suspect driving a white Polo with no number plates just robbed the filling station in Mayberry Park. Fox Tactical Unit responded and spotted the vehicle exiting the filling station. Fox Tactical Unit started chasing the vehicle and calling for backup. They chased and shot from Mayberry Park all the way to Palm Ridge. Members of the AfriGuard was notified that the vehicle was moving towards Palm Ridge and they waited to intercept the vehicle. The suspect was intercepted by AfriGuard security and managed to be apprehended. The suspect was in possession of a firearm and all stolen cash from business and a laptop. The suspect has been linked to several armed robberies cases in Albertine in the past week. A job well done. Thank you to Brackenstown CPF for the assistance. Isizathu esenza ukuthi ngithi ngeprefera i-private security company yilesi ngoba ba effective ukudlula amaphoyisa. I-private security company once ithola i-panic ba reacta same time. Hayi amaphoyisa ozobika ngo8 bese wona afika ngo10, ozobika ngo8 kuthiwa kunama van. Isizathu nje senza ukuthi ngiprefere private security company kunamaphoyisa yilesi. Uyabona la kwenzeke armed robbery, bathola ipanic, basuka lapho ba acta same time. Yazi kunento esengeke ngayiqaphela, angazi noma wena uke wayibona na. Uma wena ubika ukuthi kube bekungamaphoyisa athole le panic, bwazothi esuke epolice station bese siren wi ezindlela yonke khalisa siren. Ngize ngicabanga ngithi shuthi le siren iyisayini ukuthi ethi egebengeni, hey balekani nina siyeza ukuze igebengu isheshe ihambe. Ingakho mina nje personally ngeprefer private security company kuyilezi izathu. Izathu nje zenza ukuthi ngiprefer private security company ilesi izathu esenzekela. Akukhalanga siren, basuke lapha yabaqonda kwisini bakwazi ukugijimisa amadoda ngokulekelelwa nayi CPF ama Community Policing Forum. Asidlulele phambili. Uyasebenza uDr Mgcini Ntshwako, low MMC we-Public Safety la eJohannesburg, odeploy EFF. Ubhale kanjena-ke, le post yayizolo uthi at approximately 5 to 3 during a stop and search operation on Juta Street, Braamfontein, 2 male individuals were found in possession of a small quantities of dagga. As there was no evidence of dealing, they could not be charged for drug trafficking. Upon request, both individuals failed to produce valid identification or passports. Consequently, they were arrested for illegal immigration and detained at Hill Brussels. Uyasebenza. Usebenza ngempela. Asiyibambe le video, ngicela ukuze ukuphola kwakho la ku comment section. Ngezwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kulo lonke nje lolu daba esixoxa ngalo. Ngiyacela ke like ivideo nje ungaka comment. Yazi lento eyenzekayo yokuthi kube khona ama views ay 2000 nama likes ay 120 ayingiphathi kahle. Ngiyacela nje ukuthi ubheke ivideo uyilike. Yekela mina uthe omunye aka like ngoba ngiyedelela. Yekela mina, yekela ukudelela kwami. Ngicela nje ulike ivideo. Sobuye sikukhuluma kokwami kokudelela ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi ngisuke ngikudelele ngoba ungangithathanga kahle. Ngumuntu ohloniphayo mina. Ngumuntu ohlonipha ngempela hayi kancane. Kodwa uma kwenzekile ngakubona ukuthi udinga ukuphendulwa ngendlela eright, ngiyakuphendula futhi. Ngoba bakhona abantu uma ukhuluma nabo kahle abezwa. Abanye abantu bayadinga ukuthi uma ubaphendula uphendule ngathi uyamthusa ukuze ezovuka. Ngoba omunye umuntu ukathe right nje avela aphisa ingqondo yakhe. Bese ke le nto leya efuneka kube inkinga yethu. Ngiyacela ukuthi ungiyeke mina. Yekela mina ukuthi ngiyedelela wena nje like ivideo, comment, ushare. Ngilokho nje ngikucelayo. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo.